Grand Rapids, WayTV8, NBC, and they're reporting some pretty crazy shit. So let me rewind this real quick. They're saying egg-sized hail in Cadillac, Michigan. And Cadillac's not that far from here. Cadillac's a couple hundred miles from here.
EldersHelpers.com/careers.
Always tracking, always alerting. This is
I'm gonna go to the work channel a little bit, guys.
All right, welcome back.
I gotta get redressed.
I'm glad this weather's happening today as opposed to yesterday, but nonetheless, we have to deal with it. Solid line of thunderstorms continuing to work its way off to the south and east. Just prepare that we're going to have strong thunderstorms this afternoon. I would get anything off your deck or anything loose outside of your house because any of these storms can.
I'm gonna be going live soon, guys.
It's going to be a breezy day nonetheless. And just saw a report up around the Cadillac area of egg-sized hail. That's impressive for Michigan, and it's also been the case around the Green Bay area as well. Okay, here's the latest in terms of warnings. None in our viewing area yet. There will be probably shortly for Oceana County and eventually into Newaygo. And they're probably
I'm gonna get dressed in a minute, guys. Help you guys out. I might turn the air conditioner off. Open some windows.
But currently, this is what's going on. That's a thunderstorm warning for the Ludington area. Tracking this thunderstorm right here in the Hart area, Whitehall, we're looking at just shortly after 1 o'clock time frame. Shelby area, right around 113, so a little south of Point, Silver Lake area, any campers out there. A lot of lightning with us, could see some hail, so be aware of that. Whitehall, Montague, closer to the 1:30 time frame. Grand Rapids, in its current track, looks like sometime right around 3 o'clock, and that's when a lot of schools get let out. Now, if that is the case, if you're a principal, superintendent, I wouldn't be letting your kids go out in a lightning storm or a thunderstorm into the buses. You may want to hold them back. So just continue watching that radar app, the Storm Team Ad app, and also tune in to us. Alan Bach and myself will be here all afternoon tracking these storms. Okay, until 7 o'clock, we have a severe thunderstorm watch right now currently for Ottawa, Kent, Montcalm counties and to the north. Just because you're not in and off to the south.
Let me keep an eye on this, guys.
They just haven't issued one further south and east. The Storm Prediction Center probably will.
Ooh, level 2.
Slight risk area for severe weather and the weather impacts today. Mainly, it's going to be damaging winds. Hail's a possibility. There's a lot of hailers out there so far this morning. So medium risk right there. Time frame about 1 o'clock all the way through the 8 o'clock time frame this evening.
Ooh. So I might be starting live operations soon.
As these storms move through, and actually, they're going to give us some beneficial rain. We certainly do need it. Nothing too ominous on the cameras right there, but you can see with a northwestern view in Muskegon, the sky is darkening. Still hanging on sunshine, or kind of filtered sunshine from Grand Rapids to the south and east, and without a doubt, you can see those clouds completely opaque off to our northwest for those thunderstorms. Rain, cool thunderstorm air up to the north, only 16 Home Lake right now, close to 80 degrees, Kalamazoo in the Grand Rapids area, plus the humidity's going up. Really, it's going to feel like a summer day out there right now. And those wind gusts up around 30 miles an hour. And that's not with the thunderstorms. That's just the regular wind. We're looking at the strong cold front. That's the trigger for these strong thunderstorms. That will sweep through this evening and eventually put an end to these storms. So you can see by the 9 o'clock time frame, just exiting our viewing area around the Jackson area over towards Battle Creek, actually east of Battle Creek towards Coldwater. We'll go under mostly clear skies by daybreak tomorrow morning, and then enough instability we could see a spotty shower later tomorrow afternoon and Wednesday, and also in the Thursday time frame. Let's go take a look at the rest of the 8-day forecast, and it'll feature those cooler temperatures behind the cold front. High is right around 70 degrees, drastic change compared to today, and then warming things up this weekend.
Tuesday.
You could see some 80s out there and even beyond, so summer still holds on. Of course, we'll continue watching.
I'm going to go live in about 5 seconds.
Busy afternoon.
Yeah, I know you guys are staffed in the tracking center, so we'll stay in touch. Thanks, Matt. Well, infectious disease doctors